Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video is going to be my unboxing of April's Boxycharm base box. Now this is the $25 a month box. Now how I normally would do these videos is I would do the unboxing, and then after that I would try on the makeup products that are in the box. But this time I'm just going to be doing the unboxing because there really wasn't much for me to try on this time. I mean, there's stuff in here and there's makeup in here. It's just there's only about 2 products that I would try on, and instead of doing a trying on part, I went ahead and used the 2 products that are in here on my face today. So I'll talk about them as they come up. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. But before we get on into this video, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. But other than that, let's just go ahead and get on into this video. Alright, so like I said, this is the base box. That's a $25 a month box. So first up in here is of course the card, and this is Boxycharm Sweet Treats. I'm assuming this is supposed to be like Easter theme because the card looks very like Easter colors, Easter candy kind of feel to it. Pretty cute card. And then on the back of course is the list of the products. So I've already taken a sneak peek, obviously, because I did try some products on today. So the first thing in here, and I believe this is what I chose. So with the base box, you get to choose one product in the box, or they give you an option and you choose what you want. So first up is from Studio Makeup, and this is the tinted moisturizer. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid, stuff like that. And I believe this is, a Boxycharm exclusive. So this retails for $35. It is in the shade Oat, and that is the shade I chose. I really don't remember how many shade choices they had, to be completely honest, because, you know, I chose this about a month ago or so. And this is one of the products that I tried on my face today. So it comes in this little tube here, and honestly, this tube does not feel like there's that much in there. Anyways, so tinted moisturizers are always kind of like confusing to me because is it a moisturizer or is it a foundation? Let me know down in the comments. I use it as a foundation, but I don't know if I'm even using it right. I'm assuming if it's tinted, it's supposed to be kind of like a foundation, but it says in the card here that this is supposed to be a light to medium coverage. So I tried this out today. I'll give you guys a little pump just to show you what it looks like. It looks just like a foundation, you know. But I used it on the skin today, and so far, first impressions, I don't really like it, and I'll tell you why. It's super light coverage, like super light. So I couldn't even get it, when I used it, I couldn't get it to build up past a certain coverage. Like, it was this light coverage. And another thing I don't like about it, so one, it doesn't build up. I prefer more medium coverage foundations. I don't mind a light one, but I still want to feel like, you know, I cover up my red spots, because your girl has blemishes. Like, I have a freaking mountain of doom over here that I still couldn't get to quite cover up. And yeah, that's not pretty, and I want to cover that up. So this definitely, the coverage wise, very much non-existent. And another thing, it made me super dewy, which I don't mind a little bit of dewy, but it made me look like I was like sweaty. like I'd just taken a run and I was just like dewy. So I feel like this is probably not gonna work for oily skin people. And I don't know, I just didn't like the way it felt on my skin. It didn't feel like it didn't feel like a foundation at all. And like I said, this is called a tinted moisturizer, so maybe I'm using this completely wrong. Maybe you're not supposed to use this like a foundation, but I feel like you're supposed to, because I have a ColourPop one that's a tinted moisturizer, and I use it like a foundation, and it works just like a foundation. I thought it was just supposed to be more like a moisturizing foundation, but maybe I'm completely wrong. Maybe I'm using this wrong, but I feel like if it's not supposed to be like a foundation, then they wouldn't say a light to a medium coverage. Anyways, not really super big fan of this right now. I'll keep playing with it. Maybe I used it wrong. Maybe I didn't shake it well enough, because I did forget to shake it. Maybe that threw off the formula. I just feel like it was just making everything else slip and slide. I even tried like putting concealer over my blemishes, and it just wasn't blending like it normally does. So far I'm not really impressed with this, but what else? Alright, so this, I don't know if I said, but this retails for $35. So yeah, moving on to the next thing. Alright, so we have something here by Tim TD. So we have something in here by Terra de Mars, and I don't know why my bottle looks so dirty, but it does. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got like a red streak down the middle. Anyways, this is a Radition Body Cleanser. And this retails for $22, so I'm assuming it's just for your body and not your face. It says a body cleanser, so that's what I'm going to use it like. I didn't try this yet. I only tried the makeup products in here. So yeah, I'm not too mad about getting something like this. I mean, I like body washes, and body cleanser sounds kind of interesting, so I will probably use this in the shower someday. Probably the next time I shower, I'll put that in there and give it a try. It smells like herbal or something, so not too mad about that. Alright, next up is from Natasha Denona, and this is one of their her 5-pan shadow palettes here, and I got it in the palette Ayana. So this retails for $48, and this is a Boxycharm exclusive. So I'm assuming when it says Boxycharm exclusive, you won't be able to buy it from like the brand store or something. So I'm assuming that only Boxycharm members will be getting stuff like this. Like, you can't buy it on the market. Like, not from like I said, I don't think you'll be able to buy this from Natasha Denona. I may be completely wrong. Maybe you can, but that's from my understanding. Alright, so this is the more neutral palette. There's 2 palettes you could have gotten in this box this month. I'm really happy I got this one because the other one was very colorful and reminded me a lot of Easter, and I wasn't really looking forward to getting that one if I did get it, so I'm glad I got the more neutral one. The other one was pretty. It's just, I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. It was like, it had a pink, a yellow, a blue, and it was just weird colors. It didn't seem like they would go together. So I was concerned if I was going to get that one, because I probably honestly wouldn't have kept it if I did get the other palette, the other Natasha Denona palette. So I'm pretty happy with this one. But I did use this palette to create this look here. Pretty happy with it. You know, it's a pretty nice palette. The formula feels nice, like swatching wise. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this so you guys can see. Ooh. The only thing is, I did notice I was having trouble blending it a little bit, but I honestly don't know if it's because I put that tinted moisturizer on first, like if that was messing with the formula. So I'll keep playing with this one, but I mean, it wasn't bad. Like, I got it to work. It was just kind of harder to work with. It wasn't like super easy. But I do really like the look I came up with. I have gotten one of her another palette from Boxycharm, another 5-pan palette, and I do really like that one. So aside from the mattes just being a little tough to blend, everything else worked fine. The shimmers worked really well. And it's super pigmented, so I'm thinking it might have just been that tinted moisturizer that might have made it a little difficult to blend out. But there they are. This shade's really pretty, which it looks blue on camera, or I don't know, it looks blue from that swatch, but it's kind of more of a green. Maybe, yeah. Anyway, super happy with this. Like I said, just aside from it being a little bit tough to blend, it worked just fine. Very pigmented. Alright, so 2 more things in the box, and then that's it. Alright, so next up is from Eloise, I think is how you say this. And this is a Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. Now, it does say that you can use this on your face and body. I did a swatch of this when I first got it because I was trying to see what all I could try out. And I decided not to use it on my face today because I just don't think this will work for me. It's super pretty bottle, don't get me wrong. This is super gorgeous looking. It's kind of got like a glass bottle and it's got a nice pump on it. So this retails for $38, which is pretty pricey, but I think Eloise is kind of a pricier brand. I mean, I'm not really familiar with them, but anyway, so you could use this on your face or body. I would suggest using this on your body. I honestly probably won't keep this product just because it's not really my type of thing. And then I thought about using it as like a highlighter, but after swatching it, it's like, I don't know, it's really kind of sticky and kind of like, not really oily, but it's not a highlighter. I wouldn't say this is a highlighter. I'd say this is definitely for the body because it kind of absorbs into your skin, and I just can't imagine putting this on top of like foundation or powder or something. I don't think it's going to kind of do well on the skin. I mean, I could be completely wrong. It's just I feel like it's kind of sticky and oily, and it may break down your foundation. And honestly, it really just doesn't do much. Like, it makes you look a little glowy, but that's about it. I mean, it has some kind of like shimmer in it, so it makes you glisten a little bit. I don't know. It's just not my type of highlight, so I wouldn't use it on the face, and I don't usually put body glitter on or body oil or anything like that. I don't really care to look shiny because I'm pasty white, so my pale skin is shiny enough. I don't need any help with that, so this just really isn't my type of product, but it is really nice looking. It's pretty, and if you're someone that has, I don't know, if you have like bronze skin or something, I would think that this would look very pretty to put like on the shoulders or something to get that nice like glisten, but I don't know, just not really my type of product, like I said. So I'll probably end up passing this on to a family member or a friend or something. So last up is from Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. Never heard of this brand. And it's some lashes, and these are the Monarch Lash Pack. So it comes with some tweezers that you apply your lashes with and 2 pairs of lashes. And they are really pretty lashes. They are very pretty. And this retails for $38. That seems a bit pricey for lashes, but then again, I don't usually buy lashes, so I don't know what's a fair price. It seems pricey in my opinion, but they're very pretty. I'm honestly not a big lash girl. I'm pretty lazy when it comes to like applying lashes. I don't know. I don't like to take the time to apply them. I don't know. Yeah, they can make a look very. They can make an eye look very nice, and I don't know. Right now, I'm just lazy. I don't really like to apply them, so I probably won't keep these. I'll probably end up passing this on, or maybe I'll put these in a future giveaway. I'm not really sure yet what I'm going to do with those, but they're very pretty, and I don't know, maybe I'll try them. I don't know. I won't try them today, but maybe I'll keep them. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet, but here they are, very pretty. You know, I haven't gotten lashes in my box in a while, so, you know, if you got these, you may be thrilled to have gotten them. They're really cute, and I like all the butterflies and the orange and stuff. But yeah, that's really all I have to say about it. Alright, so that's it. So let me go ahead and tally up the price and see what the overall value of this box is. Alright, so the overall value for my box is $181, which is pretty darn good considering I only paid $25 for this box. So definitely got my money's worth when it came to the value of the box. Just so you guys know, here's the variation that I got. So I got variation C2104040-BA, whatever that means. They used to just have like a number, like it was like 23 or something, but now they made it very complicated, and I don't know why. But anyways, so let me go through kind of like one more time and see if I feel like this box is a good one or not. This product's okay. I mean, I am glad to be able to try this out. So far, first impressions, I'm not really a fan of this product, but maybe, I don't know, maybe I used it wrong. Maybe I didn't shake it up well enough. There could be a lot of things. I'll keep playing with this, but so far I'm not really liking it, but I don't know, maybe if my skin was like very clear and I didn't need much coverage, I would like this. But so far, right now my skin is not like that, so your girl needs some coverage. So this is just an okay product. I mean, I'm glad to have tried it out. I think my favorite product is probably the palette. I mean, not that it's just from Natasha Denona, but it's just like the color scheme is very much up my alley. And it is really nice to get something from Natasha Denona. So, favorite product so far. Really happy about this. I'm pretty curious to try out this body cleanser. Like I said, I don't really get many body cleansers in my boxes. And I do like body wash and stuff. So I will definitely give this a try. Pretty excited to try it. I've never heard of this brand, but you know, I don't really care. As long as the product's good, I don't really care about the brand. I don't know. This product is just okay. I don't like body glow stuff, but I mean, I could see it being an exciting product to get if you are into that stuff. So I'd say this is I don't know. It's not really my type of thing, but it is a nice product to get because it is a really, you know, like I showed it. I'm just going to show it again because I'm talking about it. It's a really good size. So, I mean, like, I feel like if I was into this type of thing, I would be really excited to get this. And it looks really nice. Looks bougie as heck. So, I think that's a pretty good product to get. It's just really not my type of thing. Maybe I'll get into it. Maybe I'll get a tan this summer. Maybe I'll, like, lather myself up and be like a glowing goddess. I don't know. It's fun to get. And the lashes are okay. So, overall, although a lot of the products I like 2 out of the 3 products I'm not going to use. These still are really good products to get. I really am not mad about it. It's just not really my thing, but you know, it's good. It's a nice thing to get. At least I didn't get a bunch of eyeliners or something. So overall, I think this box is okay. It's not my favorite. Okay, I'm going to change that. It's good. It's good. It's not great. It's not amazing, but it's good. And it's definitely better than okay. Okay is bad. If I say a box is okay, that's just be nice. So this box is good. Everything in here I would use, or I could use, so that's a plus. All right, I'm gonna stop chatting now. So there's my thoughts on the box. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys thought of this box. I've heard a lot of mixed reviews on this box, or this month's April. I've heard a lot of mixed reviews on April's base box. Some people really like it and some people really don't like it. I will say that I am pretty, considering what I could have gotten, I'm pretty happy with what I got. I saw that there was a Dragon Beauty, what's it called? Color corrector, which looked really bad. And so far every person I've seen try that didn't like it. I mean, if you like it, great, but I'm glad I didn't get it because I don't use color correctors, and honestly, I'm really not a big fan of Dragon Beauty. I'm not really a fan of Nikita Dragon, so I was glad not to have gotten that. And there's something else. There was a lipstick, which looked cool, like it was like dragon scale, but the color, I've not seen a good color, and I think I don't know if there's multiple colors from that lipstick, but the ones that I've seen are all kind of orangey colors, and I was like, what am I going to do with an orange lipstick? But, so overall, I'm pretty happy with my box, you know, considering what I could have gotten. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of this box. Did you guys get a base box? How was your box? Was it bad? Let me know down in the comments. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know that you like seeing these types of videos. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.